Okay, so got my lower rear cross piece, and I can put my template back on it. And I like the curve pretty well, but the ends, one end seems kind of flat, this end is kind of pointy, so I'm going to put my sandpaper down and just flatten out those two ends. So that looks a little bit better. Okay, now on the plan, it talks about how this curve here should tilt back 6 degrees. Okay, so if you put a square on here and you kind of sight down this, you can see that this is actually 90 degrees. And when they say tilt back 6 degrees, they mean tilt back 6 degrees off 90. So, when you're doing this with a big piece, you are going to use your bevel gauge and you're going to set it to 6 degrees. So I've got my bevel gauge and I've got, this is a tool in the shop that you can set to 6 degrees off 90, and I've got the bevel gauge set to this. So I should be able to put this on here and draw kind of what that would look like, right? So what I'm going to do, though, because most of you probably don't have this capability at home, is we're just going to estimate it. So right now, this is 90, and pick the edge you like the best. So on one side, I think that looks pretty nice. This side, not as nice. So I'm going to put my finger against this one, and I'm going to draw a line on the top here that is, about a 1/16 back from that front edge. Not much, just about a 1/16, right? You see that line? So then I'm going to draw on this corner here a little pencil line, right? So that bottom edge I'd like to preserve, and this top edge up here is going to go away because I'm going to connect this bottom line here and this top line here with a flat. So how do I get rid of this material? So you have some choices. If you have a file will do it for you. If you have a spoke shave, right? So this is a spoke shave. A spoke shave will do it for you, right? You can just kind of tilt it at that angle and kind of cut away that top corner there until you've got like a nice angle between here. Sandpaper will also do it for you, right? You just have to sand at that angle to get rid of this, okay? So we need to tilt that back. First, you have to learn how to lay it out, which we've just done. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make it and check it.